Stop, Shopify doesn't want you to know this, but here's how to unlock the 90-day trial. Most people only get 3 days or 14 days, but I'll show you the exact method to get full 90 days of Shopify completely legally. No hacks, no tricks, no VPN. This is a real extended trial that Shopify only gives through certain hidden partner pages, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. You see, Shopify doesn't promote long trials on their homepage, but when you go through their partners, webinars, events, or special instructors from Shopify Learn, the system automatically gives you a 90-day trial the moment you create your store. And here's the best part. You don't need a credit card. You don't need to verify anything complicated, just an email, and you're inside. So here's how it works. Just go to YouTube video descriptions. You will find Shopify Extended Partner link. These are the same links influencers, teachers, and Shopify event hosts use. They look exactly like the normal Shopify sign-up page, but when you create a store through them, the backend sets your trial to 90 days instead of 3. Once you're on the page, you just click Start Free Trial, enter your email, choose your store name, and you're done. After you land on your dashboard, go to Settings, Renew Plan, and you'll see something like 90 days remaining. That's when you know you activated the extended trial successfully. This gives you a huge advantage. 3 entire months to buy, build your store, test winning products, design your brand, run ads, and get real customers, all without paying any monthly subscription. Now, here's something even crazier. Many people don't know this, but after the 90-day trial ends, Shopify often gives you a special upgrade offer, usually $1 or $3 for your first month. If that offer shows up for you, you can extend your total Shopify access to around 120 days, basically 4 months, for just $1 to $3. That's the longest and cheapest way to run Shopify legally. This works for everyone: dropshipping, print-on-demand, digital products, service stores, even local businesses. It doesn't matter what country you're from, the trial activates the same way. And people ask me this all the time. Do you need a credit card? No, not for the trial. Do you need to pay anything up front? No. Is this safe and allowed? Yes. It's Shopify's official partner trial, not a hack. If this helped you unlock the Shopify 90-day trial, do me a favor, hit the like button and comment 90 days so more people can find this video. I also have tutorials on getting 120 days for $3, the best Shopify apps for beginners, how to build a full store in under 60 minutes. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss those. Thanks for watching and enjoy your 90-day Shopify trial. Go build something amazing.